All right, folks, let's get after it. This is Chapter 8 out of the CPM Geometry textbook. We're going to be talking about polygons and circles. Before we go too far, let's make sure we know what these items are. Working definition we'll use for polygon is a closed plane figure made up of line segments. Closed means it's closed, it's not open. Let's go ahead real quick here and talk about what this means. That means plane or flat. It's going to be two-dimensional. And made up of line segments. So you're already familiar with a number of polygons. Our friend the triangle is a polygon. Our friend the quadrilateral is a polygon. We could even go, why not do a pentagon? That's a polygon as well. Now what about a circle? We certainly all know what a circle looks like. And there is a circle, but how about a working definition? This is the one we'll use. Well, that's a working definition there for a circle. A set of all points equidistant from a fixed point called the center. Just a couple comments here. Yeah, a circle is really just a set of all the points that are this distance away from the center, and we call that the radius. But that's getting a little bit too far ahead of ourselves. Circles is really the second half of Chapter 8. So let's jump in now with polygons.